In the future, my hope for my time spent as a FFAR fellow and in my PhD program is to help break down some of the barriers for farmers to adopting regenerative or agroecological practices that are able to support their soil health, the ecological health of our areas, and also their bottom line. One of the main thing on farmers' minds lately especially is just these questions around soil health. So the research I'm doing is trying to understand the impact of farmer-driven regenerative management practices on soil health. This whole process is informed by the farmers and in partnership with the farmers. So I think it's really critical for agriculture research to be able to step outside of the lab and really understand what is happening in the real world, what are farmers actually doing, and what is the impact on nutrient cycling, on carbon sequestration, on crop yield and quality, and pest control, and what does that look like in the real world? Because the goal of my research is that it will help promote the adoption of these agroecological or regenerative practices, that we keep farmers in farming and that we don't lose farmers, especially small-scale farmers that are really supporting communities, because farmers are driven to make management practices based on a whole variety of constraints. So they're thinking about their economic constraints, climate, personal. The food that you are buying, you have a role in helping promote or support certain practices that are happening out on the farm. And so if consumers show interest in food that is produced more sustainably through regenerative practices or agroecological practices, that will increase the demand for these products and allow farmers to hopefully be able to implement those practices on farm. And that our farming systems are working for people today, but also preserving the natural resources that we rely on for future generations.